Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Swapnil and today I'm gonna take you to a Mauritius trip which happened in 2018. This is the first video from the trip which will cover flight to Mauritius, airport Sir Sivu Sagar Ramagulum International Airport, Hotel Manisa at Flick and Flack Village where we stayed, and in between, I'll be telling you how to book the tickets, how to get the visa, and how to get the hotel at a cheaper price. And most importantly, you can reach me at any point of time if you're visiting this particular place. At Instagram, my handle is the underscore wanderer underscore bay. And I'll help you out to reach this place. It's absolutely easy to travel to Mauritius. The country is so small, it's easily reachable. It's very small that you can travel on your own. Public transportation is very good. You can easily book cabs. It's hassle free. People are very friendly, they are helping. And on top of it, there are many workers in the residents of Mauritius who know Hindi and they can even talk in Bhojpuri, though I did not find anybody specific who can speak in Bhojpuri, but yes, Hindi people were very much there, and it's easy. So without wasting the time, let's enjoy the video. First, I'll show you the airport, then our journey from airport to Flick and Flack village, and then in between I'll be showing you Hotel Manisa where we stayed. We came here through Air Mauritius and booked our flight via official website. I would suggest that whenever you book the air tickets, just compare the price on skyscanner.co.in or makemytrip.com or goibibo.com, etc. There are plenty of websites. For me, Skyscanner and Make My Trip works the best. And the airline, the budget, and the timing of the airline, whichever suits you, you should book it from its official website. Like we booked our tickets through airmauritius.com. So visa process is very easy in Mauritius. There is no visa fee. It's visa on arrival. They'll just stamp your passport and nothing else has to be done. The currency exchange, I would prefer you get it done at the airport because you get better price, and the cabs are also easily available. Though we pre-booked our cab through a travel agent, but as it's a hassle-free country, everything is easily available. Cabs are easily available in this country as it's a hassle-free place, and you'll enjoy it at the best if you take public transportation or maybe private cabs. This international airport of Mauritius is located in the capital of the country, which is Port Louis. Mauritius is famous for sugar, fruit jams, Mauritian rum. Aerated drinks are available everywhere in the country. It's famous for its beaches, lagoons, white reefs, and unspoiled environment. There are so many beach destinations we have covered till date, but Mauritius happens to be the best so far. Mauritius is also famous for its extremely expensive resorts. Hotel Manisa is situated at Flick and Flack Beach, which is actually a part of Indian Ocean. The location is superb, but if you want to stay in a more economical place, then please go to booking.com or Agoda and compare the prices available. This hotel was nice. It has these small urban cottages. We booked 501 and 502, but I find that this hotel was a bit expensive as the food was okay, the ambience was okay, but there's no doubt that the location was superb. Now in this video, we are heading towards the dining area for our dinner. The dinner, the breakfast, everything was included except the lunch. For souvenirs, Mauritius has plenty of awesome sugarcane baskets, which are so pretty. We purchased four of these, as you can see on your right hand side. You can buy these, and as usual, even here the bargaining is at its peak. So don't forget to bargain. That's all for the day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for all the updates and the notifications. And all the Mauritius videos will be available in the playlist with the name Continent Africa. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.